Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to compress your video into smaller sizes using a free software which is called Handbrake. This is the software right here. We're going to be reducing this video size. So the current size of the video is 66.9 MB. So I'll open up the Handbrake app right now. If you want to download Handbrake, I'll put the link in the description so you can download Handbrake. And the reason why I use Handbrake is it's very efficient, it is free, and it does a very good job in retaining your video quality. So after you have compressed the file, the quality is still the same. It's a 5-star app. Trust me, you will really enjoy it. Alright, we're going to be importing this video into Handbrake app that we just opened using the drag and drop method. So you hover your mouse cursor on the video, you click and you drag the video into the Handbrake app and let it go. Alright, the video is in the app right now. So I'm going to be focusing on 3 sections: summary, dimension, and the video section. In the summary section, the only thing we're going to do is just to change the format to make sure that it's in MP4. The reason I will use MP4 is that MP4 is very compatible, okay, and it works for me, alright, and many devices accept it. So that's just that. Only the MP4 we're changing. Now to the dimensions, we're going to check the resolution limit is on HD. HD is good. Then you just check the anamorphic, set it to automatic, and now this part over here which says optimal size, if this box is checked, you have to uncheck it. Now we're going to make sure that the value we have here, okay, the storage size value we have here is exactly the same with what we have here. The reason being that we want the video that we're importing and the compressed video to have the same aspect ratio. If you don't know what aspect ratio is, it's just simply the height and the width of your video. So let's check that out. 1920 by 1080, 1920 by 1080. Okay, it's the same. Sometimes it might be different, so just make sure that they're the same so you have a good video at the end of the day. And we're going over to the video section. In the video section, we're going to be using the video encoder H.264. The reason why we're using H.264 instead of H.265 is because as at the time of making this video, not every computer can run on H.265, okay? Maybe in the future more computers will be able to use H.265, but for now many computers are using H.264. So set it at H.264. The frame rate, I leave it at 30. Some people leave it at 60, but I will say use 60 if you maybe use a high resolution Sony camera to make a video. But if you use your phone or just a regular video or a movie you want to compress, use 30. Then peak frame rate selected. Then over here to where it says quality, concise quality is at 22. Some people prefer to raise it up, some people prefer to scale it down, but 22 works for me and that's what I recommend for you. Over to encoder present, over here, encoder present, we're going to drag the slider down to where it shows very slow, so that Handbrake can take its time to process the video so you achieve the best result, okay? And over to encoder level, the encoder level is set at 4.0 and that's what I use. And some people might be wondering that why am I using 4.0 instead of 6.2? Well, I've compressed a video with 4.0 and 6.2 and the space difference is not really much. Is that when it's in 6.2 it takes a lot of time, and at the end of the day you just get maybe some kilobytes difference or maybe 1 MB difference. So and it takes a lot of time if it's in 6.2, but if you have the patience to wait you can put 6.2. but I have compressed a lot of videos on 4.0 and the space is really, at the end of the day the result is actually very good, okay? Now we're going to check where we want our video to be saved. I'm going to select my video file. I want it to be saved here, and that's it. That's all the settings you need. Okay, to start the encoding process, you go over here to where it starts, to where it writes start encode, then you click, and it will be encoding in real time right now. You'll be seeing a blue slider moving from your left to your right, as you can see. So over here, look carefully, you will see that it's giving you the time in percentage. Right now is 11.04%. Depending on your CPU, your GPU, it takes some time. If you're using an older computer, it takes some time. If you're using a Core i7, it's faster, right? So I will give you an advice right now. If you are into video editing, I will suggest that you finish the whole project that you, and then compress the project instead of using, like, if you are using clips, don't be compressing the clips to make the video. Make the whole video, then compress it at once, because if you compress a clip and you put that clip on your Premiere Pro, on your After Effects, it will be very, very difficult for your system to be able to read it and to start lagging. I'm talking from experience. It makes editing very, very difficult. So edit the whole file first, and then you bring it to Handbrake, then you compress it. Okay, so right now it's 20%. I'm going to stop the recording and I'm going to come back when it has finished, so that I will show you guys the result. Alright guys, the video has finished encoding. As you can see over here, it's writing Q finished, so it's done. So go to wherever you save the video on your computer and you will see your compressed video file. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please give us a like and consider subscribing to help the channel out, and I'll see you in the next one.